At the conclusion of this video presentation, your flight attendants will be coming down the aisles. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to ask your flight attendants. Thank you.
Bonsoir, au nom de Delta Sky Team, Carl Air France, nos partenaires mondiaux, nous vous souhaitons la bienvenue.
Alright, here we go. Guys heard them doing their spiel. Apparently the source was in there getting a takeoff. Apparently he was heading over to France. And you heard them talking in English first and then switched over to French. But here's what the source saw, guys. This is a busy runway on this plane over here. The plane's pulling back. Look at now, is that guy he supposedly sees it at the very end of the clip. The guy escorting the plane. There's a couple planes waiting to get in here. There's another plane in the back. Oh man, apparently there were a lot of people that saw this object, and then it starts to go out of frame because the plane turns. This is you know, some very interesting footage, guys. UFO sightings during takeoff. And definitely the plane was getting ready to take off. It's being reversed right now. Look at that, plane's looking right at the UFO. Wonder if the captain saw that thing. And then all of a sudden the object starts rotating over here. It starts almost like spinning. It's off on an angle. And then it stops. And then it looks like it's, you know, coming towards the plane. Looks like it's gonna fly overhead. Look at that. And that's where it cuts off. That's where he lost it. Here's an extreme close-up of the UFO. Looks like it could possibly have some energy cells on it. See those white markings. And apparently the source said that the rest of it looked like it was most probably made out of metal. But no idea, guys. Is this a drone? There's quite possibly a chance that this could be a drone. Don't see any fans on it though, unless the fan's in the center or blades in the center that's keeping it afloat. That would be my only guess. But this is just some excellent UFO footage on the runway. You got trucks, you got a guy walking. Supposedly he sees it at the end of the clip over there. There's a couple of planes waiting to come in over here. Another plane just landed in the background. Guys, if you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Click subscribe, click the bell notification. Click send me all notifications for this channel, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again. Oh my gosh, look at this. As the saying goes, Mamma Mia, look at this UFO. This is a mothership for sure. When I first saw this footage, I was like, what is going on over here? Incredible footage, guys. This is you know, close-up footage right there. Look at that. It's just flying away from the source. Thank God he had his camera and just started filming this thing. And apparently this thing was huge. We're talking about at least, you know, the size of a house. Unfortunately in this frame it doesn't look like there's anything to compare it to, but this is what the source was saying. Just incredible footage over here. This footage comes to us from Wisconsin. It is brand new footage, June 10th, 2017. That is when we received it, and something is definitely going on over here. As the title says, look at that. Just look at that object. The UFO is just incredible. Are those, looks like there's might be wings or something on top. What is you know, what is definitely going on over here? Something's going on for sure. Absolutely excellent footage. That's the only thing we can say. New footage that, you know, was just released to us, coming from Wisconsin. And there's, you know, this is incredible, guys. I'm sure this thing is flying through the air. Somebody else must have also captured this, you know, footage. Look at that. This thing is, and doesn't look like there's any jet engines or anything on it. Wonder how it's staying afloat. Is it some kind of new technology, or is it perhaps a UFO? Well, UFO for sure. Guys, if you have any information on this UFO, please leave it down in the comments below. It would be greatly appreciated. If you have seen this UFO, let us know. You know, we'll definitely follow up with you if you have some footage or something like that that can be shared. But just incredible, guys. We're gonna have to stay proof positive on this one for sure. and you know, just amazing over here. Well, anyway guys, if you like seeing these videos, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage over here. UFO sightings, alien ship. Take a look at this. What is going on over here? You can see that thing looks like an alien ship. That's what it looks like. It looks like there's some kind of heat coming out of it. And then you have is that a jetpack or something? What is... This has to be some of the most incredible UFO footage over here. Planes coming in for a landing. This is brand new footage. We just received this footage February 27, 2018. Take a look at this. Apparently this was in Chicago according to the source. Looks like it's coming in for a landing. Look at that. I mean, what is this? It looks like it might have some wires in the front too. Man, can you imagine looking out your window and seeing this UFO? It's just incredible. As we mentioned, there's some smoke coming out. Looks like this thing, it looks like almost like a jetpack. In the front it looks like there might be some wires or something. This is definitely, has to be an alien ship. Look at that, and then look at the trajectory, it's just going straight. Just incredible UFO footage. Once again, Chicago, February 27, 2018. Here's an extreme close-up. Look at that. Just incredible. I mean, this has to be some of the best UFO footage we have seen on this channel for sure. Look at that thing. I don't know, it doesn't look like there's anybody in it. Just excellent. And so there's the footage. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Have you seen this UFO? Do you know what it is? Do you have any insight? If you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description below. We have a link to our newsletter. It's free to sign up. We send out tons of UFO content. Have a good day. We'll talk to you soon. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage over here. Look at this. UFO sightings at the drive-thru. Source sent us this clip, and apparently he was waiting at the drive-thru when he spotted this object, and apparently there was no way he could move because there was a car in front of him and there was also a car behind him. Look at this UFO. This is brand new footage. We received this footage March 3rd, 2018. Looks like there's a security camera on that building. Wonder if there was a security camera on the other side that perhaps might have captured this UFO. There it goes. And apparently this was at a White Castle's. That's where he was waiting. Look at that. Here's a close-up. Definitely looks like it has some kind of energy going on at the bottom. Perhaps that's how it's able to stay up in the air. Look at that. There seems to, look at that. Is that, what is that? The outside might be made out of metal, it looks like. And the core looks like it's red. Very interesting UFO footage to say the least. UFO sightings at the drive-thru. The source claims that he was waiting to get his food, and this is when he spotted, after he paid, he pulled up, and then there were people ahead of him, and then there were also cars behind him. This is all according to the source. This footage comes to us March 3rd, 2018. Excellent footage. We're gonna have to definitely try to get more answers and see what's going on. And then apparently when he pulled and he got his food, he couldn't see anything. There was nothing else there. So there is the footage, ladies and gentlemen. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Have you seen this UFO? what is it? I mean, is this some kind of drone or something like that? And if you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description. We have a link to our newsletter. It's free to sign up. Have a good day. Click subscribe. Click the bell notification. Click send me all notifications for this channel, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again.
We're on our way home. It's been a while, but we're finally here.